Morning team, I'm back at charts finally. It's Monday, new week, December 12th. Probably the last week. Or maybe next one can offer something just in the beginning. Anyway, this week is busy, one of the busiest I recall. CPI tomorrow, FOMC the real one on Wednesday, ECB on Thursday, and PMI on Friday. Today it's quiet, so, and I don't have any rush to trade. Let's have a look at charts. High time frame. Last week closed like a perfect doji. When this happens, usually means that there is not conviction from buyers or sellers, and when I see this kind of doji, if I see, let's say the week after I see like a big manipulation from one side, I think then we're gonna continue to the other one. So I don't know if we manipulate on top and then we go down, or we manipulate down and we keep going up. But this is like a premonition for some big manipulation, in my opinion. Daily was up when I left for Berlin, and is still up. But it starts to lose some kind of momentum now. Kind of, okay. He made a higher high. I don't know. This looks like liquidity to me now. I don't know if this swing low gonna hold. It's possible. But yeah, it doesn't tell me much, to be honest. But there is liquidity on top of these highs too. Let's have a look at hourly charts. H12. Well, same thing. Last few days, I have to admit, it wasn't like super exciting price action. We stay in a 100 pip range, which is kind of slow, to be honest, considering all this move up. So I start to feel a little bit like distribution, you know, like when you see this. I start to feel like distribution if I see a nice manipulation up, a big stop run. I think we can reverse. I start to have that feeling. I'm not saying it's bearish yet, but you know, I love cures. And this start to be a thing, to be honest. You know. Anyway, H12 is still up right now. Doesn't tell me much. H4. We open the weekly with this volume imbalance. Right now we slightly touched it. Also H4 is still up, but if you ask me, looks like a market maker sell model, and this H4 origin has not been tested. I don't know. I think we're gonna go here. I know it's still bullish technically, but I don't see too much bullishness right now. We are at support. This big week was caused by a news, if I recall correctly. So this support already been tested once, kind of twice. If it's giving up, we go straight to 0.47, and this is gonna be a nice level, because if this gives up, I think we're gonna go way lower than that. Gonna be a key pivot. How do you say? You know, if this gives up, we're gonna go down. If this holds, maybe we make new highs and go to take this liquidity. Okay, H1, pretty much the same as H4. I see liquidity everywhere. These Asia lows are too suspicious, and this double bottom here also. I think we need to go down. Take all this liquidity, and then here we reevaluate. It's gonna be interesting to see what happens if we go in this support untested area. Low time frame. This is the volume imbalance that I marked out on H4 right now is rejecting. Yes, I think we're gonna go to Asia lows. And after that I'm gonna reevaluate. Right now I don't feel like shorting. Frankfurt open just happened like 5 minutes ago. Probably gonna wait for London open to gather some clarity. This is I mean, I don't see any reason why we shouldn't go here, to be honest. All these support have been tested. Even if now M15 shifted up, yeah, all I see is lower highs. So I'm not going to touch, I'm not going to long anything here. Asia lows is too suspicious. If we have a big raid of Asia lows, something like this, super bullish reaction, maybe I'm gonna look for longs. If not, I'm gonna wait for them to take this liquidity and reevaluate. It's just Monday anyway, so keep it calm. I speak to you tomorrow.